Okay, so today, as you see, I am chilling. And as a business owner, I want to give you the message that you do not need to feel guilty about relaxing. I talk to a lot of business owners, and I know with the goals that you have to meet and the people that you want to meet and how you want to expand your business over what you did last month or last year or last quarter, there is a push to always be doing something. I know I was feeling it myself, and that's why I'm lounging today. It's a bit of a snow day, and last week I had to do an overnight caregiving job where I was working like 13 and 14 hours overnight with no sleep because I had to watch my client and make sure I was tending to all of her needs, plus continue my massage schedule. So needless to say, I was super tired. So here's the thing. I do not feel guilty about being a little lazy the past 2 days because my body needed to rest and recover. If you are always on the go, never getting the appropriate sleep, because I'm going to tell you, when I was doing that overnight gig, I was a little angry and antsy, and I did not want anybody talking to me because I was that tired. When I feel that tired, I get a little short tempered and stuff like that. So I needed the rest. And now that I've had the time off, I've had the time to reset, recharge, because that's what it is. No need to feel guilty. You just have to reset your mind, reset your heart, reset your breathing, reset everything. Because I heard somebody say this yesterday on something I was listening to, that your spirit is breath. So when you are not breathing appropriately, you are not engaging your spirit. You are not flourishing in your spirit. And God cannot work through you when you're not breathing appropriately, when you have not gotten the proper rest. So I'm going to encourage you as the business owner. Do not feel guilty about taking a break. Don't feel guilty about sitting in your pajamas or wrapping up in your cover, because I don't feel guilty today. If you want more tips like this, check out my book, which is Becoming a Self-Care Boss, 31 Days to Self-Discovery. Go over to couturemassage.com/shop to get the book and other things that I have available. And people may be like, why are you saying? I want to show you that being a self-care boss sometimes means lounging around. Until next time, you make it a relaxing day. Bye.